Okay, so what are some of the principles for proofs? So you need to understand some key terminology. So first, what is a proposition? So a proposition is a statement which is either true or false and is used as a hypothesis in mathematical proofs. So if you do any kind of science, you will be aware of what a hypothesis is. So basically when we're starting an experiment, we need sort of like the question for the experiment. Basically what the experiment will get to, an answer. So if we're doing an experiment involving, I don't know, for example, for biology, we might be doing an experiment involving plant growth. And the hypothesis might be that more sunlight results in more plant growth. That is the hypothesis. Similarly, for proofs or mathematical proofs, we need a hypothesis, a starting statement. And every proposition that we do will have quantifiers. So quantifiers are sort of like the conditions for the proposition, because just having a hypothesis or a proposition will not be sufficient, because there's a lot of sort of vague area, or there's a lot of things to experiment with. So a quantifier will state conditions. So for example, if we're trying to prove that 2 plus 3, adding two numbers gives you, an even number, for example, we need to have a condition, because otherwise we have no sort of limitation. We might say adding two odd numbers will give you an even number. Not sure if that works, but yeah. So some sort of condition that we will mainly be focusing on. So there can be multiple quantifiers, but usually you'll be dealing with one quantifier in specialist maths.